In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Autosave in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to disable Autosave, or more specifically the Live Save feature in DaVinci Resolve, this is a very quick setting to change once you know where to find it. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. Start by opening DaVinci Resolve and looking to the top left corner of the screen. From there, click on DaVinci Resolve in the menu area. This will open a drop-down with several options related to the application's main settings. Once that menu appears, click on Preferences. This is where DaVinci Resolve stores many of the overall settings that affect how the software behaves, including save-related options. After the Preferences window opens, look near the top section and go to the User tab. This tab contains settings tied to your general user experience, rather than options for just one specific project. Inside the User tab, find and click Project Save and Load. This section controls how DaVinci Resolve handles saving behavior and project loading preferences. If you're trying to turn off auto-saving behavior, this is the exact area you need. Now look for the Live Save option. To turn it off, make sure Live Save is unchecked. If there's a check mark in the box, click it once to remove the check mark. Once it is unchecked, the Live Save feature will be disabled. And that's it. That's all you need to do to turn off Autosave in DaVinci Resolve. As a quick tip, after changing a preference like this, it's always a good idea to double-check that the settings stayed the way you intended before closing the window. That helps prevent mistakes, especially if you're adjusting multiple preferences at the same time. Also, remember that turning off Live Save means DaVinci Resolve will no longer keep saving changes continuously in the background, so you'll want to be more mindful about saving your work manually while editing. This can be useful if you prefer more control over when your project is saved, or if you're troubleshooting behavior related to automatic saving. Just be careful not to close your project without saving if you've made important changes. That's the full process for turning off Autosave in DaVinci Resolve. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly find the setting you needed.